What's up, millennials? I'm Elaine Ira and welcome back to my channel. Good morning! So today I woke up without my husband next to me. So nag-walk lang daw siya saglit ng dogs kasi alam niyang madami pa akong ritual bago bumangon. Like, upo muna ako ng matagal para iwas sa vertigo. And then, magpipray. And then after, mag-aayos na ako ng bed namin kasi ako yung huling bumangon. After a while, dumating na rin yung boys and tapos na sila sa kanilang morning walk. And yan yung asawa ko kung makapaglambing. Akala mo hindi kami magkatabi buong gabi. Well, yeah, clingy talaga siya. Kapareho din ni Milo. Morning! Going to work. It's my first day of work today, 2025. Today, I'm walking with my husband. Sabay kaming pupunta sa work. Nagkataon lang na sabay yung schedule namin ngayon. Ako kasi 9 to 5 and sakto siya 8 to 4. So, yeah, we're walking together for the first time. Right? Kasi ngayon na ako mag-work sa office. Yeah, sa work from home ako ng 3 buwan. Well, parang hindi rin 3 buwan kasi November hindi na ako pumasok. Or December yun. Kung maalala. May hatid ko na yung asawa ko sa work niya. So, dito na siya nag-work sa metro. And now, pupunta na ako sa bus stop. Maganda yung timing ko ngayon kasi nasaktuhan ko yung express bus. So, express bus is nagsistop lang sa major intersections. And then, after nun, nakalipat na ako ng subway. Medyo mabagal lang yung subway ngayon due to track works. And after kong bumaba ng subway, konting lakad na lang, office na namin. Andito na ako sa downtown. Medyo late ako kasi ang bagal ng bus. Tapos punuan yung... ang bagal ng train. Tapos punuan yung mga bus. Pagod na agad ako, hindi ba ka nakakarating? Dapat 9 nasa office na ako eh. Pero, lang. So this is my cubicle and this is my view and this is my table. Happy 35th year. So we're gonna have breakfast here. Do we still have breakfast? Yeah, it's so cute. No more. No more. Is this banana bread? Yeah, I think so. Is everything vegan? Oh yeah. Now, nakabalik na ako sa desk ko and magsistart na akong mag-work. This morning, my plate is full, literally and figuratively. I have a lot of client calls. So, habang nagdi-discuss yung client and hindi pa naman ako yung magsasalita, tinatry ko munang kumain habang nakikinig. So now, ang content muna natin is mukbang. Titikman ko na ang croissant with ham and egg. For breakfast talaga ng mga Canadians, puro sila bread. Ayan. Hindi pa rin tapos yung call ko, matagal-tagal yan. Parang umabot ata ng 1 oras, hindi ko na maalala. Medyo marami din kasing diniscuss yung client, kaya medyo nakakarami rin talaga ako ng kain sa call na yan. Coffee time! Breakfast again?
No, maybe next time.
Oh, okay, yeah. I thought today we got our coffee. This is cortado and this is iced matcha latte. Thanks to Darcy for treating me. She missed me so much. She treats me coffee now. Sobrang init. Alam mo yung maaraw pero ang lamig. I think 0 degrees ngayon and we're at the park. This is not our normal day, okay? We're not busy today so we have time to have some coffee and go for park, go for walks. But yeah, this is how my life is if we're not busy. But technically, when I work from home, I work until late nights. So, and I just want to cherish these moments that I'm not busy. Arte. Wala pa masyadong leaves sa park, and I can see some dogs walking, and that's the view from my cubicle. Remember? So we're walking now at St. James Park. There are a lot of dogs. There are a lot of sword fights. We're now here at St. James Church. Umiikot lang kami. And I think going there is our office. I'm not sure. But this is the view, remember? Yeah. And nakabalik na kami ng office. There are few more calls, pero mas serious na to kasi may kasama ng auditor yung iba. So, kailangan talagang mag-pay attention. There are a lot of queries that needs to be addressed. And yeah, so medyo serious mode na tayo dito. Hindi na pwedeng kumain. Hindi na pwedeng ma-distract. So, and I'm just looking forward for lunch this time. It's time for our lunch. Microwave. I have my baon. My husband prepared this for me. Thanks, babe. Oh, I have to leave it open for a little bit. That's enough. Dito rin kami kanina kumuha ng free breakfast. So, may coffee machines dyan. And ito, konti lang yung tao kasi medyo late na rin. Kasi medyo busog pa din kami kanina ng kape. So, late kami na nag-lunch. May mga monitors din kasi madalas din kami mag-meeting dito. And dito yung food kanina. So, you can have milk and cheese.
Yeah, I can feel that.
Okay.
I'm not vegan. I'm only vegetarian.
Yeah, I'm confused sometimes. Because cheese comes from the milk of the cows still,
Yeah.
right?
So, if there is an ingredient called retin or something,
Retin?
Retin or something, we don't buy that cheese.
Oh, why is that?
Because I saw it in the reels and somebody told me that's made with the pig fat.
Oh, okay.
I didn't know that. Pig or cow fat.
What I know is the gelatin.
Hmm.
It's made of the pig skin. Is that right?
I don't know.
Because I want to bring you this Filipino chocolates with Ovaltinis. And my mother-in-law said, you have to check if it's vegetarian because she can't eat it. So I didn't bring any today.
Yeah.
Next time, we'll check the ingredients.
Yeah, I usually check even the ice cream also I check.
Yeah.
But if the ingredients may contain egg or soy, I eat. Because it's not necessary it will have that.
Yeah.
But just in the process or in the
In the
same
manufacturing.
Yeah, same. Yeah.
After lunch, coffee again. Kailangan bang pagising kasi nakakaantok, lalo na malamig ang panahon.
Chocolate. Coffee. Ground Colombian dark. No, mochaccino. What's that? Cappuccino. What's mochaccino? Half espresso, half chocolate? Yeah. Okay, I have that mochaccino. Blend, strength. I can't see. Just this one. Blend. Dark. Yeah. Enjoy now. Okay, let's see. Okay. Yeah.
I'll just take it out.
No. Still being prepared. Okay. Thank you.
I'm back at my desk again and just enjoying the view while trying to work kahit inaantok. So, I'm now done with my work and hinihintay ko na lang si Nel. Yung asawa ko kasi susunduin niya ako today and dinner kami later. But I think paalis pa lang siya sa house. So, tititigan ko na lang muna tong view. Ko alam kung anong gagawin ko. Pero yeah, mag-vlog muna ako. Anong gusto niyo mo tanong? Char. Comment down below. And ano ba? Actually, if you want more work content, yung day 1 ko dito sa work. And I think, yeah, if you're more into that, work vlogs. So,
Hello. Ulit.
Now we're walking towards my favorite thrift shop. Konting walk lang naman from office. So, this is my husband. Busy siya. Naghahanap ng kainan. And yeah, we're just walking downtown. Na-enjoy lang. Kasi ngayon lang kami ulit nag-downtown.
Ang init dito, ang ganda.
pang summer na ulit yung halabas.
Puti.
Grabe, may nagbebenta pa ng Good Life dito.
Mhm. Okay lang, maganda. Yeah, maganda siya.
Should I buy? Ay.
Di ba sa amin ditipid tayo?
Levi's.
Sukati mo nga.
40.
Kasa sa'yo. 40 or 50?
40. Magkano yan? 1.8?
Mm.
Ano din? 1.8 ba? 40 times. Mali naman eh. 240? 2.4.
2, 4. Di ko alam.
Wait lang. 4 times 4.
16.
16. 1.6. Dito.
Magkano ba usually ang ang Levi's? O kasya sa'yo. Yeah. Pero dapat hindi lang white sa loob.
Black.
Something black, oh.
Hindi ko ito makikita sa iba. I mean, hindi ko ito mabibili ng 1.6 sa...
Levi's mismo?
Oo. Magkano ba Levi's?
Check natin.
Yes. Say yes.
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 Tama na, ha? Charat.
Ngayon na ako nag-okay.
Mm.
Yeah. Feeling ko sakto na muna. Ha?
Mm.
Shut up muna ako. Shut up. Thank you, boss. Pababa? Oh, okay. Nagkakapil ba tayo?
Ang bigat ng plato. Naglalaway na. Sarap? So we're done eating and we're on our way home na. And grabe. O, kwento ko daw yung bar St. Lo. Bakit? Anong gusto mong sabihin? Dala-dala niya lahat ng gamit ko.
First na raw sila. Buti na tayo na experience
Oo.
namin yung
Yeah. Last month na daw nila ngayon kasi may nakabili ng place. So, magiging ibang restaurant with different people, with different food. Sabi niya. So,
maganda. At least may heads up sila.
yeah.
Mapapalitan.
Pero grabe. Yung food nila hindi naman super sarap, no? Sakto lang.
Sakto.
Tapos yung nabili ko, hindi pala gano'ng kalaki. Tapos yung kainin ang laki.
Kaya pala walang picture.
Medyo mapait pa. Or ewan ko.
Masarap mo yung
Mas
chicken.
gusto ko yung food niya. Always naman, pag nag-order kami, mas masarap yung food niya. Anyways, yeah, that's it. And we're going home. We're having rest. And that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you had fun. Had fun. Bye-bye. See you in my next vlog.